Inside of every man, there's a war raging. Not a war of flesh and blood, but a war of purpose, identity, and legacy. And when the storms of life hit, and they will your house stand tall or will it crumble, exposing everything you've failed to build? There are 4 pillars every man must live by. Neglect them, and your foundation will collapse. But if you master them, then nothing can shake you. For too long, we've been told that masculinity is toxic. We've been silenced, we've been shamed, we've been softened, and we've lost our fire. Some of us have walked away from our faith and our church. Our confidence is not what it used to be. Our finances have suffered. We hate our jobs. We're mentally exhausted. Our bodies are not what they used to be. And our dreams are either dying or dead. Not to mention retirement seems impossible and we're getting closer. No wonder we're not who we want to be. But it doesn't have to be this way. Man versus self is a call to arms, to rise, to rebuild, to become the man you were designed to be. Do you want to be stronger, more confident, more respected, or truly loved? Do you want to get your finances in order and maybe possibly retire one day? Here's the big one. Do you want to love your life? Do you want to love waking up in the morning, experiencing every day? Those are all the things we're going to discuss right here on this channel. So I'm going to ask you to subscribe right now. Let's dominate this together. The battle is real, but so is victory. So now I'm going to ask you to make an important choice because this says that you're a man of action. Type the word READY below this video, and then I want you to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.